Talking about the mother of all watches. It's the MLRS, this baby right here, the Multiple Launch Rocket System. And this baby will put a hurting on you, there is no question about that. 1995, MLRS, Multiple Launch Rocket System. Range, 300 miles. Warhead, 12 M30 rockets. Now remember the Hwachcha, that 500-year-old multiple rocket launcher from Korea? Well, the MLRS takes the same concept, multiple rockets being launched, matches it with the explosive warhead of rockets like the AT-4, and adds in the guidance and technology of weapons like the Javelin. That lets you put a missile where you want it to go. It is one of the most effective missile systems on the planet. The MLRS can fire 12 long-range rockets in less than 1 minute from a mobile launching platform. The onboard computer can fire rockets individually or in ripples of 2 to 12. That's this baby here. It's got tracks like a tank, so it can go almost anywhere on the battlefield. And it can aim and launch up to 12 missiles in under 60 seconds. It can also launch 2 massive missiles, which can fly via GPS guidance to the target area before releasing 6 smaller submunitions that listen for the signature sound of their exact target. Then guide themselves toward it before, of course, blowing it up. Look out! This baby is awesome. It's so awesome, I'm just itching to take it for a ride. It handles pretty darn good, don't it? Oh, yeah. Like a Cadillac. Yep. Yeah, my four-wheel drive Ford pickup truck is nice to slow down for a lot of these bumps. The vehicle itself travels at 40 miles per hour. Now, that's faster than a foot soldier can travel lugging an AT-4 or a Javelin. And that speed's a real advantage on a fast-moving battlefield. What's the range on the vehicle? 300 kilometers. What does the gas tank hold? Well over 100 gallons. Oh, really? Okay. Well, the whole belly of the chest is fuel cell. Well, guys, thanks a million for that wonderful ride. Enjoyed it? Absolutely. I love this stuff. Well, you know, that was a lot of fun, but I want to get out here, and I want to be standing back a little ways so I can watch the fireworks. And here at Fort Sill, Oklahoma, they don't just settle for any old 4th of July firecrackers. No, sirree. The MLRS is probably the most devastating weapon in our arsenal today. Certainly one of them, anyway. I put it right in the top 10. This baby even allows the crew to fire off the full payload of 12 missiles from the safety of the vehicle's cabin. Fire. This weapon is phenomenal. Now, I wanted to get down to the target area and see destruction close up, but they reckoned it might be a little bit dangerous. But even from this distance, the MLRS is a pretty darned impressive sight. Ooh, this is tremendous stuff. I'm loving this. As a multiple missile launcher, the MLRS is kind of like the old Korean Hwachcha. But where the Hwachcha could just about hit something 500 yards away, the MLRS can take out a tank at 30 miles. This baby behind me is awesome. This is a great piece of machinery. You gotta love it. That is, unless you're the guy that's down there getting shot at with it.